If you're facing problem to open your Apple CarPlay app on your iPhone, this 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Apple CarPlay not working on your iPhone. So the first solution is go to your iPhone settings, tap on screen time, content and privacy restrictions, allowed apps, and here enable CarPlay. If it's already enabled, disable and then enable it and check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is go to your iPhone settings, tap on Face ID and passcode, scroll down and you will get here USB accessories option. So enable it and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the third solution is update your iOS. Go to your general, tap on software update and update your iPhone from here and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the fourth solution is reset network settings. Go to general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, reset, tap on reset network settings. Once done, restart your iPhone and then check the problem if fixed or not. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.